The past couple of years have been hard for everyone, especially students. They lost months of learning when the pandemic started, then had an entire year of remote classes.
That was the topic of a panel discussion involving a couple of state line superintendents. Nikel Delgado shows us some of the statistics and what's being done to make up for the learning loss. Nikel?
That's right, Eric and Mimi. Local school district leaders share the trauma on their students. They are stressing the importance on understanding the impact COVID-19 has caused where we are now so that we know what work is ahead.
That students that wanted to continue to have that in-person learning experience had it, and finding ways to meet needs during the pandemic. Now we've shifted into a new phase, which has meant millions of dollars going to community partnerships to extend learning.
Students went from missing months of work to working remotely during the pandemic. Now the superintendents from Rockford Public Schools and Harlem Schools are sharing what worked for their students and what didn't, as well as the additional resources they put into place to try to get back to normal.
We now have a social worker at every school, just adding supports like that where our kids have someone to talk to when they need it.
An attendance specialists, behavioralists, and of course, tremendous amount of academic support. So
on Wednesday, they discussed everything from attendance data, enrollment, and academic outcomes to addressing the significant impact on students' academic progress and well-being.
We're going to need to continue to prioritize and invest in education, in care, in social and emotional supports, in extracurricular activities, and in summer enrichment for years to come.
Data shows academic performance and graduation rates dropped in all grades, but are picking back up. But they also found the trauma of COVID-19 had many students in a downward spiral mentally.
Obviously, we can't solve all the problems in one day, so hopefully we can continue to bounce things off of each other.
Both superintendents agree it takes a village to raise a child, and they encourage the whole community to step up to support our students.
we want to make sure we're doing everything we can to ensure our students have a rapid recovery for any learning that has been lost, and that we can support not only their academic needs but their social emotional needs.
Superintendents from Rockford Public School and Harlem Schools hope to continue to have more conversations like this to keep their students progressing forward. Eric, Mimi?